Welcome to Global Bike Buzz. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250, a bike that blends classic bobber styling with modern performance. If you're a fan of cruiser motorcycles with a raw, stripped-down look and a punchy engine, this might just be the perfect ride for you. Stay tuned as we break down its design, engine, performance, and pricing to see if this bike is worth your attention. Right off the bat, the 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250 carries the signature design language of its bigger sibling, the Bolt 950. It has a minimalist, no-nonsense appearance, emphasizing clean lines and a muscular stance. At the front, you get a classic round headlamp with LED technology, ensuring a bright and efficient beam for nighttime riding. The blacked-out forks give it a rugged appeal, while the small digital instrument cluster keeps things modern yet subtle. Moving to the side profile, the low-slung stance is noticeable, thanks to its compact frame and slightly forward-set footpegs. The teardrop-shaped fuel tank adds to the classic bobber look, while the single-seat saddle is contoured for comfort. At the rear, the fender is short and minimal, showcasing the thick rear tire that enhances the bike's aggressive look. The LED taillight sits neatly under the seat, keeping the design clean and uncluttered. Under the hood, the Bolt 250 is powered by a 249cc air-cooled, single-cylinder engine with fuel injection. This setup ensures smooth throttle response, optimal fuel efficiency, and reliable performance in various riding conditions. The engine is paired with a 5-speed gearbox, offering crisp and smooth shifts. Whether you're cruising in the city or hitting the open road, Yamaha has tuned the Bolt 250's engine to provide strong low-end torque, making it perfect for riders who love instant power delivery at lower RPMs. The exhaust system is a short, blacked-out unit, producing a deep, throaty exhaust note that adds to the bike's character. On the road, the Bolt 250 feels planted and confident. The frame is lightweight yet sturdy, allowing for easy maneuverability through traffic while maintaining stability at higher speeds. The suspension setup includes telescopic front forks and twin rear shock absorbers, offering a comfortable ride over rough surfaces. The 18-inch front and 16-inch rear wheels, wrapped in wide tires, provide excellent grip and handling. Braking duties are handled by a single front disc and a rear drum brake, delivering reliable stopping power. Yamaha has also equipped the Bolt 250 with ABS for added safety, ensuring controlled braking even in emergency situations. Fuel efficiency is another strong suit of the Bolt 250. With its fuel-injected engine and lightweight build, it's expected to deliver around 80 to 90 miles per gallon, making it an excellent option for daily commuting or weekend rides without breaking the bank on fuel costs. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250 is expected to be priced competitively in the entry-level cruiser segment. While official prices vary by region, estimates place it around $4,500 to $5,000 in the US. This makes it an attractive choice for beginner riders or those looking for an affordable, stylish, and reliable motorcycle without compromising on performance. In conclusion, the 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250 is a well-rounded package, offering classic cruiser aesthetics, a capable engine, and modern features at an affordable price point. Whether you're a new rider looking for your first cruiser or an experienced rider wanting a stylish, lightweight machine, the Bolt 250 delivers. Its blend of simplicity, efficiency, and customization potential makes it a standout in its category. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from Global Bike Buzz. Let us know in the comments, would you ride the Bolt 250? See you in the next one, and as always, ride safe.